and these include the guidelines which comprehensively have been put forth by UGC as well as the AICTE are to take certain measures in setting up anti-ragging committees, then spreading awareness among the students, like printing about the anti-ragging aspects, and if at all, if it is perpetrated, what are the punishments which are prescribed and what are the stringent actions the institute may take against such perpetrator. All these have to be included in the prospectus, and further upon guiding and counseling the freshers who come as new entrants into the institution, and to conduct surprise raids from time to time in those educational institutions upon the ragging aspect or the acts, whether they have been continued or it has been curbed. Further upon, to set up the mentoring cells, so that the one of the faculties will be taking care of certain students, certain strength of the students who will mentor these particular seniors or the juniors as depending upon the mentorship, and so that they can have a cordial interaction or relationship among the seniors and the freshers. Apart from this, they also have given the guidelines with regard to the hostel facilities, where a warden has been given the full strength to control the act of ragging hostelites or the inmates of the hostel, wherein the warden is given the authority to not only to see to prevent but also to curb if any act of ragging done by the senior student against the juniors in the hostels as well. Then further upon, conducting anonymous surveys, not only the sudden raids but also to conduct the anonymous surveys in the about the ragging concept among the freshers, not just as questionnaire, but the committees have to go approach the students who have joined newly or recently, who are the fresher students, to take them into confidence, to give them the confidence that they can survive in that institution, to continue their higher education and achieve their goals for which they have taken the admission. So, conducting anonymous surveys by the committee or the people concerned who have been authorized by the institutions to look into and give the confidence and raise the morale of the freshers. Then further upon, the arranging of psychological counseling also has been proposed by the UGC and the AICTE. The reason for that is there are certain students who come from the different backgrounds and they may have a vicarious pleasure of causing inconvenience or causing abuse to other student or other person or individual, and they get the pleasure of it. The concept of ragging, which is more so as a social interaction between the senior and the junior, has resulted into inhuman acts in certain cases. If such character or conduct of the individual or the student is visible, then it is the duty upon these counselors to counsel them psychologically not to do so, and what are the ill effects of it, or what will be the repercussions or the consequences if that has been perpetrated. And further upon, the suggestion also, the recommendation also aimed at a full-time warden in the hostel, not a second. The warden should be out of the sight. Every moment has to be witnessed by the warden, and see to it that full length protection is given to all the students in the hostel.